Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Grade 1? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your third lesson of week number 7, right? Okay. So tell me how many of you have revised the lecture? How many of you have done the home assignment? I gave you some numbers and you were supposed to write them in ascending order, right? Okay. So tell me how many of you have done that? Raise your hands. Okay, now show me your work one by one. Your home assignment. Yes, okay. Very well done. So all of you have revised that. Any confusion in ascending order? No? So who is going to tell me what does ascending means? Yes. Ascending means going up, right? Okay. And what does going up means? How do we write numbers in that order? We always start from the smallest number and then we move toward the highest one, right? Okay, so now in today's class we will be talking about the descending order, right? Okay, so we have already practiced the descending order or decreasing order in our previous classes, but now in today's class we will be just focusing on decreasing order and we will be doing some practice of that with different numbers, right? Okay, so let's first revise what does descending means. How many of you remember what does descending means? Descending means going down, right? Okay, can you see this aeroplane? In which direction it is flying or it is moving? It is moving toward the downward direction, right? In yesterday's class when we were practicing ascending order, the aeroplane was over there and its direction was toward the upward direction, right? Why? Because we were practicing ascending order, and in ascending we always start from the smallest, we start from the bottom and then we move toward the highest position, right? But in today's class, because we are discussing descending order or decreasing order, so what we will be doing, we will start from the highest number and then we will move toward the lowest one. This means that we will be, yes, we will be moving in the downward position, and that is why the aeroplane is also moving toward the downward position. So now before doing whatever is the practice in your book, I'll be writing some numbers over there for you, and then you will tell me that how we can write them according to the descending order. Okay, so the very first numbers are, these are the five numbers and you are supposed to write them in the form of descending order. So what was the first step? What will we do? At first we will recognize or identify what is the highest number in this, right? So what is the highest number in this? It's 17. Excellent. And what is the smallest number? It's 9. No, 5. Yes. So the highest number is 17 and the smallest one is 5. So where will I write this highest number? Over here? No, over there. Very good. 17 over there. And where I'll write 5? Over here. Now how many spaces are left in between? 1, 2 and 3. And how many numbers are left? 3. So should I start writing from this side? Should I move upward? No. I'll be starting from this side. Why? Because we are practicing descending order, right? So in descending we start from the highest number and then we move toward the lowest one, right? Okay, so what comes before 17? Look at the numbers and tell me which number will come after that. There would be 13. Excellent. Then 13. Noops, it's wrong. Look again. 15. Very well done. Then 13. What will come before that? It's 9 and 5 is already there, right? So when you will be writing the numbers in the form of descending order, you will be starting from there. You will first write the highest number and then you will move toward the downward direction. Got it? Okay, now I'm writing other numbers for you. Let's practice this together. Well, the next numbers are How many numbers are there? 5. What is the first step? Identify the highest number. Which one is highest? 11. Excellent. Which one is lowest? 2. No. 0. Good. Now, where will I write 11? On the top. And where will I write 0? On the bottom. Excellent. How many numbers are in between it? 3. So, what will come before 11? Look over there. What will come before 11? It's 9. Excellent. Then 5. And finally 2. Got it? So, what we are practicing descending order or decreasing order, because both descending and decreasing are same, right? And what do we do in this order? We start from the highest number or the top, and then we move towards the bottom or the lowest or the smallest number, right? Okay. So, let's do the practice with another, and then we will start practicing the exercise in your book. Okay, so the last numbers are, identify the highest number. Who is going to tell me? Yes, Sarah, what is the highest number? 23. Excellent. And what is the lowest one? 0. Where will I write 23? Okay, good. And 0 over there. What will come before 23? 21. Good. Then 19. Well done. And finally 5. Excellent. So now, is this clear to all of you? Any confusion? No? Should we move forward? Okay, good. So now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this video that will help you reinforce this concept. We will watch the video together and then we will move forward, okay? So show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Is it visible? Okay, good.
Let's learn about increasing and decreasing orders. Going up and going down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Increasing order. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's a decreasing order. So when we go down, it's decreasing. When we go up, it's an increasing order.
Okay, so you have seen that in the video they say the same thing, that when we go up it's increasing and when we go down it's decreasing, right? So going up means that we start from the smallest value and then we move toward the highest one, and going down means that we will be starting from the highest and we will stop at the lowest one, right? And what's the procedure? The first thing is that we identify which is the highest number and which is the lowest number, right? And we always write the highest one on the top over there, right? And we write the smallest one on the bottom, right, or in the beginning, and then we write the numbers that come in between that. Got it? Okay, now I want all of you to open your books, page number 31. This is your books, page number 31. Hurry up, all of you, open this. Done? Take out your pencils, write CW and today's date on this page. Now look at the statement of the question. It says that beginning at the top of each ladder, fill the spaces by writing numbers in descending order. Now, because we are practicing descending order, so they have already mentioned it, that you are supposed to start writing from the top of the ladder, right? And then you will move in the downward direction. Got it? But when we were practicing ascending order in yesterday's class, it says that beginning at the bottom. This means that you will be starting from the bottom of the ladder and then you will move upward. Now the statement says that you will be starting from the, yes, from the top of the letter, and then you will move in the downward direction. Got it? Okay. Now there are these small cute teddy bears which are drawn in your book, and you are supposed to help these teddy bears writing these numbers or filling these missing numbers that come in between these two. Well, they have already given you the starting and the ending number. You are supposed to write what comes in between that. But remember, you will start writing from the top position, right? Okay. So the very first number is, the highest number in the first letter is 23, and the bottom number is 14. So what you will do now, first count how many spaces are left in between that. How many numbers, yes, how many numbers can be written in between that. So count them: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now start writing from the top. What comes before 23? It's 22. Good. What comes before that? 21. Excellent. Then 20. Then 19. Good. Then 18. What comes before that? 17, 16, and 15. Very well done. Who is going to solve the next ladder for me? Yes. Help the teddy bear. Hurry up. Raise your hands. Okay, let's Ahmed do this. Yes, Ahmed. The top number is 76 and the bottom one is 67, right? Okay, so tell me what comes before 76. 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, and 70. Then 69, and finally 68. Excellent. Okay, who is going to help the teddy bear to solve the next ladder? Yes. Okay, Sarah is going to help the teddy bear. Okay, Sarah. The top number is 45 and the bottom one is 36. So tell me what comes before 45. 44, then 43, good. 42, then 41, 40, yes. 39, excellent. 38, and finally 37. Very well done. Now the last one is, it's a small quiz for you. You are supposed to solve it by yourself, right? And then I'll ask you. Let's see who solved it first. Okay, so help the teddy bear solve this question. The top number is 97 and the bottom one is 88. So everybody start writing and tell me when you are done. Hurry up. Abdullah, are you done? Great. So Abdullah is first. Okay, Abdullah, tell me what are the numbers. 96, 95, 94, good. 93, 92, 91, 90, and 89. Excellent. All of you, you have checked it, you have matched it with Abdullah. Yes. Okay, so everybody has written correctly. Very well done. Is there any confusion in descending order? No. Okay, so now before ending the class, you are supposed to write these numbers on your notebook, because this is a home assignment for you, that you are supposed to write these numbers in descending order at your home. Okay, so do practice it. I'll be checking it in tomorrow's class first, and then we will start the lesson. And the numbers are, the first one are, these three are the home assignment for you. You are supposed to write them. This is your homework, right? And you are supposed to write them in the form of descending order. So what you will do, you will first recognize which is highest number, which is lowest number, and then you will write the numbers that come in between that. Got it? Note, all of you have noted down on your notebooks. Okay, good. So that was all for today's class. What we have done, we have practiced how to write numbers in descending order, and descending order means going down, right? So is there any confusion? No? Do practice it at your home. I'll be seeing you in the next class. Take care. Allah Hafiz.